Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King on our Happy Holiday edition. I'm going to go over some great last minute deals to help you and your guests out. You know, if you want to give them a beverage center, a pillow, maybe even a guest bed, we're going to go through a couple deals. First, I have this great pillow, great gift for your favorite uncle, grandma, grandpa, whoever. $18, blended memory foam, great buy, only 18 bucks, usually goes for $50. I also have a special buy. I'm on my last truckload. I bought 3 truckloads. I got 1 left, so you got to hurry up. Perfect guest bed, $6.99 queen mattress, $9.99 king if you want to upgrade your bedroom, and then maybe put a $6.99 in the guest bed. And then we have our new line of massage chairs from Cosia. We can get as low as $50 per month if you play your cards right. Great gift for your wife, for mom, for dad, whoever. What do you guys think? Prince and Princess got an exclusive little test right there. I'll take that. All right, and lastly, we have this great promotion. You can get a free box spring and 10% off of a Stearns & Foster. And again, if you play your cards right, you can get a free beverage center or wine center if you come into any of our locations. For the massage chairs, we're doing a test in Thornton, Parker, Colorado Springs. That's all I got for you guys. Have a very happy holiday, and see you guys next week on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. See you guys.